Let's take a look around the Microsoft Teams interface. At the top of the window, the top bar contains a button. This button is to start a new chat. The top bar also contains a search bar where you are able to search for private and public teams which you would like to join. To the right of the top bar, you will find a button where you are able to access your Office 365 profile. Along the left side of the window you will see the sidebar. Here you can click on each icon to access different features of Microsoft Teams. When you click on each icon, the related content of that icon will be displayed in the main window. The bottom part of the sidebar contains icons for the Microsoft Store and the Help menu. Want to know more about Microsoft Teams on how to navigate and use it? Then come over to the How To channel.